Okay, good day to you, Ben, and welcome back again to your next lesson in mathematics. And we are already through with ratio, we are through with percent as well as proportion, and we have already applied percent in different forms, no? like uh, rate, discount, markup, commission. So this time we are going to uh, talk about integers. Okay, so talking about integers, we need to remember a few things on the board. We have here uh, integers, negative numbers, positive numbers, whole numbers, and opposite. Now, integers is a number set composed of positive and negative numbers together with zero. Negative numbers are numbers below zero. Positive numbers above zero, counting or natural numbers. Whole numbers, zero and positive numbers, while opposite are same distance from zero. Now, let me explain that. Okay? Now, if you can see here, we have here a number line. Okay? At the middle of the number line is 0. And 0 here is our point of origin. Okay? The origin, the point or the base where everything is based upon. Now, to the right of the 0, we have here a set of numbers. Number from 1 to 8. At the same time, on the left of 0 here, we have also the same set of numbers, which is from 1 to 8. Okay? But this time, it has a symbol of minus. It's called negative. Now, negative numbers, no, are numbers below 0. Or, if we are going to base it on our number line, negative numbers are numbers to the left of 0. We base them from 0. So based from our point of origin, which is 0, to the left of it are negative numbers. And when you say below, uh, it also means to the left of 0. Or if we are going to look at it, okay, if this line, for example, is a soil, okay, soil. Now, numbers below the soil, okay, are negative numbers. Numbers above the soil are positive numbers. Okay. Now, for our number line here, numbers to the left of 0 are negative. Okay, negative numbers. While numbers to the right of 0 are positive numbers. Okay, they are called positive. And negative numbers have a negative sign of minus. Okay, while positive numbers have a number sign of plus. Okay, so now whole numbers. Okay, whole numbers are numbers from 0 and onwards. Okay, numbers from 0 above are called positive numbers or whole numbers or counting numbers. They are the natural numbers because they are above 0. From if you're going to count it, no, from 0 to 1 and onwards, those are countable numbers and they are called natural numbers or whole numbers. Now, numbers that are whole number or positive numbers and negative numbers together with 0 is already called an integer. Okay? So again, that being split again, okay? Whole number, a number from 0 above. While if the number is composed already of positive numbers, negative numbers, together with 0, all of them is called an integer already. Okay? Now, opposite means same distance from 0. Two numbers that have the same distance from 0. Example, 4 here and negative 4 here. Okay? So 4 here have 4 steps to the right of 0, while negative 4 here has 4 steps to the left of 0. They are the same number, which is 4. Only that one is positive, the other is negative. And the two of them are called opposite number. For example, the opposite of 4 here is negative 4. While the opposite of negative 7 here is positive 7. So they have the same distance from 0. Okay? Now, value. Okay? In terms of value of integers, we also base it from 0. Now, numbers to the right of 0, the greater the number, the further the number to the right, the greater the value. While the further the number to the left of 0, the lesser the value. Example, 4 here is greater than 2. Why? Because 4 is farther from 0 compared to 2. Because the further the number to the right of 0, the greater the value. While negative 2 here is greater than negative 6. Why? Because negative 6 is farther from 0 compared to negative 2. Because the value is the further the number to the left of 0, the lesser the value. Okay? So that's the value of integers. Now we're going to explain that having an example. Okay, we have an example here. When we have a set of integers that has positive numbers, a negative number, and a 0. Okay, so we have numbers 2, 4, negative 6, negative 10, 1, 0, and negative 3. Now, if we are going to arrange them from, for example, least to greatest. How do we do that? Okay, so by basing on the value system, we have 0 here at the point of origin, center. To the right of 0, the further the right the number is from 0, the greater the value. But the further the number to the left of 0, the lesser the value. Okay, so if we are going to find the least number here, that is negative 10. Okay, so we have here negative 10. That's the least, right? Because negative 10 is the number, is the farthest number to the left of 0. Okay. Next is negative 6. Okay. That's the second farthest number to the left of 0. Next is negative 3. Okay. The third farthest number to the left of 0. Of course, that's 0. Okay. And next, we have 1 here. Okay. The first number to the right of 0. Next, that is 2. Okay. Second number to the right of 0. Okay. And 4. That's the fourthest number to the right of 0, meaning that's the 4 here has the greatest value compared to them all. Okay, so we have arranged the set of integers from least to greatest. Okay, negative 10, negative 6, negative 3, 0, 1, 2, 4. Okay, so let's try. Let's have some more example. Okay, for our next set of integers, then we have 6, 2, negative 7, negative 9, negative 1, and 8. Now we need to arrange them from least to greatest. Arrange the integers according to their value from least to greatest. So let's first find the least of them all. Okay. So if you're going to look at the set, which number is the farthest to the left of 0? That is negative 9. We have here negative 9. If you base them from 0, the farthest number to the left of 0 is negative 9. Meaning to say, negative 9 here is the least number of them all. Okay. Next, what's the second least number based to the left of 0? That is negative 7. Okay. Negative 7 here is the second number to the left of 0. Next is negative 1. We have negative 1. That is, negative 1 is closer to 0 compared to negative 9 and negative 7. Okay? And to say, negative 1 here is greater than negative 7 and negative 9 because it's near to 0 compared to the 2. Next, we have 2. Okay? Because 2 here is the next number right to 0. Okay? Next is 6. Okay, we have 6 and 8. Now 8 here is the farthest number to the right of 0. You need to say 8 here is the greatest integer, while 6 is it's only second to 8. Also to 2 here is only second, third to 6 and 8. Okay, so if you're going to arrange them from least to greatest, we have negative 9, negative 7, negative 1, 2, 6, and 8. Okay, just remember that 0 is our point of origin to the right. The farther the number to the right, the greater the value, while the farther the number to the left, the lesser the value. Okay. So let's have some more examples. Okay, for our next example then, this time we are going to arrange the integer from greatest to least. Okay, arrange the set of integers, the given set of integers here from greatest to least. So based on our number line, let's first find the integer that has the greatest value. Okay, it's an integer which is the farthest to the right of 0. So what number now is the farthest to the right of 0? And that is positive 10. Okay, so we have 10 here. Now 10 here, although it has no symbol, if the number has no symbol, it is automatically a positive integer. Okay, so you can put a positive sign here or symbol or not, still the same. Okay? It's understood that if the number has no integer sign, it's automatically a positive integer. Okay, now 10 was the second number to the farthest to the right of 0. That is 9. Okay, now 9 here. 9 here is is lesser than compared to 10, because 10 here is greater than is far is far is farther compared to is farther to 9 compared to the right of 0. Next is 0 here. Okay, so we have 0. Okay, so we have 10, the farthest from 0. We have 9, and we have 0 itself. Okay. Next, we still have 2. Okay, we still have positive 2 here. Okay, and 0. Next, from 0 we have negative 4. Okay. Why negative 4? Because negative 4 here is closer to 0 compared to negative 5 and negative 10. Next is negative 5. And the farthest number to the left is negative 10. So by doing this, we have arranged the integers from greatest to lowest. Okay, 10 here is the greatest because it's the farthest number to the right of 0. While negative 10 here is the least, which is the farthest number to the left of 0. Okay, that's how we arrange integers according to value. Okay, let's have one last example. Okay, for our next example again, we have a set of integers, negative 8, negative 9, negative 2, 6, 3, and 8. We need to arrange them according to value from greatest to least or to lowest. Okay. Now, so to arrange them, we have to base them according to value from greatest. Therefore, we need to find the number here. Okay, the number that is the farthest number to the right of 0, and that number will be the greatest. Okay, so and that is positive 8. Okay, or 8. Next to 8 here, what number? That is positive 6. Okay, that's 6. Next to 6 here, that's 3. Okay, so we have 3. Next to 3, going to the left, that's negative 2. We have negative 2 here. For negative 2, we have negative 8. Okay. And lastly, that's negative 9. So, we have arranged the set of integers from greatest to least. 8 here is the greatest. Why? Because it's the farthest number to the right of 0. While 9 here is the least or the lowest number, the number that has the lowest value. Why? Because it's the farthest number to the left of 0. Okay? Because according to value, integers, the farther the number to the right of 0, the greater the value. While the farther the number to the left of 0, the lesser the value. Because that's how we arrange integers according to value. Okay, so let's just remember, integers are numbers composed of positive number, negative number together with 0. It's called an integer. The number to the right of 0 are positive numbers, while the number to the left of 0 are negative numbers. Now, positive numbers have a plus sign, while negative numbers has a minus sign. Okay? Now, opposites are numbers that have the same distance from 0. Okay? So that's our lesson for today, Ben. Thank you for your time. See you next meeting.